Today for class, you will be doing an STI fact chart. When you look at this chart, there are numerous columns that you do need to fill in. The pathogen is already filled in for you, which could either be a virus, bacteria, fungus, or parasite as listed. When you look up these STIs, you do need to list the transmission, which means how it's spread. One way will be sexually, but then also list other ways it may be spread. The symptoms, you only need to list three. So if there are a lot, only put down three. Diagnosis or test means what do they do to see if you have this STI? Is it a blood test? Is it a culture? Is it a biopsy? That's all you need to list. You don't need to put down what each of those tests actually mean. The treatment, is it an antibiotic, a surgery, no treatment? If it is antibiotics, I don't need you to list every single antibiotic there is, such as penicillin, amoxicillin, all the other cillins. You can just write in antibiotic. Complications or risk factors that happen because you have this infection. If it is curable, yes or no, and just the number of cases per year. If you look on here, there is a website that you can use. It's the mayoclinic.com. But for the number of cases per year, you do need to Google that. So when you do go to this Mayo Clinic website, it's going to take you to something that looks like this and says page not found, and that's fine. What you do when you get to that site is you type in the name of the infection you are looking up. I'm going to do hepatitis. When you do look up hepatitis, just type in the word hepatitis. Do not put the letter B in because it seems that students are having a hard time finding that way. So if I type in hepatitis, pops up, I click on that, hit search, I scroll down and it says hepatitis B symptoms and causes. I click on that. Then, when you scroll down, it tells you symptoms. So, as you see, there are a lot. You can just list three. Causes, all you have to do is put what is in the bold. I don't need everything else that goes along with it, just what's in the bold. Complications, same thing. Just put what is in the bold. Don't make it harder than it actually is when you do this. You then scroll down, you'll find diagnosis and treatment. I click on this blue bar. Diagnosis, how they test for it. The bold, there's three things right here, right? And then it goes into treatment, talks about that. All right, so it's pretty basic on how to find everything. You can cut and paste, just use what's in the bold. Don't make it harder for you than it actually is. Also, when you go to look up genital warts, there is a picture on here. If you want to look it up a different way, you can. I have posted handouts, fact sheets, I should say, on Google Classroom that you can also use to fill in these charts. So hopefully you can figure this out, I'm hoping, since I'm not there to help you. But all you need to do is I suggest two. Stick with one and go straight across and look everything up. Don't look up transmission for every single STI first, then all the symptoms for everyone. Start with genital warts, go straight across and fill in the information for that. And also, too, if this website does not work, you can use mayoclinic.org, and it should take you to the same site. Same thing, just punch the name of the STI in the search bar. Good luck. And once you do finish this, do make sure you turn it in on Classroom. Thank you.